Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. I, Juhi Thakur, your EVS teacher. Dear students, today I am here to talk about our sense organs. Yes, so today we will do the revision of our chapter 2, our sense organs. Well, what are sense organs? Yes, sense organs are those body parts which help us to know about the things around us. To know about the things around us. And we have 5 sense organs. Right? How many sense organs, children? 5 sense organs. And these are our eyes, ears, nose, tongue and our skin. Right? And our skin. So how many sense organs do we have? We have 5 sense organs. You are right. Well, students, can you tell me what is this? What is this? What am I holding in my hand? Yes, you are right. It is a bottle. It is a water bottle. And what is the color of this bottle? Can you guess? Right, it is an orange color. But how do I get to know that it is an orange color? Because I can see. Very good. I have eyes and I can see. So eyes help us to see. Eyes help us to see. Now, can you tell me what is this? Yes, it is a lemon. And how is it in taste? Yes, you are right. It is sour. And what is this? Chili. Right. Do you like chili? No. I also don't like it. So, it's a chili. And how is it in taste? Spicy. Very good. Well, sweet, bitter, salty, sour, spicy, these all are different kinds of state. And which sense organ help us to know or to experience these tastes? Yes, tongue. Which sense organ? Show me your tongue. Your tongue. So tongue help us to experience different kinds of taste. Can you hear this? Can you hear this bell? Very good. So, ears help us to hear. How do you hear this bell? Ears help us to hear. Very good. Now, I have another thing. You know what is this? Let me show you. Wow. Its fragrance is very nice. It's a nice fragrance. How do I get to know about its smell? Because I have nose. Right. I have nose and I can smell with my nose. So nose help us to smell. Nose help us to smell. Now students, just touch your hand. Pinch your hand. Pinch. Very good. Touch your hair. Touch it. Very good. Touch the table. Touch anything around you. Touch it. Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Very good. Then our skin help us to feel. Right? Our skin help us to touch and feel the different objects around us. So these all our sense organs. These all our sense organs. Well, are you all ready to know more about these sense organs? And how can we take care of these sense organs? Ready? Very good. So let's begin. Eyes help us to see things and people around us. We enjoy seeing this beautiful world with the help of our eyes. But some people cannot see properly. In class, Raju could not read the blackboard from where he sat. The eye doctor told Raju that he needed spectacles. The optician gave spectacles to Raju. Now Raju can read clearly. But do you know, student, some people cannot see at all. People who cannot see are called visually challenged people. Now, what do you think? Are they able to read or not? Well, yes, they read books that are written in Braille. Braille is a special type of writing made up of raised dots on paper. Well, as you know that our eyes are so special and important for us, so we must take care of our eyes. We can do it by wash our eyes 4 to 5 times a day with clean water. Never rub our eyes with a dirty towel or with dirty hands. Reading in dim or very bright light tires our eyes. Do not read while lying down as it harms your eyes. Now let's understand about our next sense organ, ears. We hear with our ears. Hello, can you hear me? Well, every day we hear different kinds of sounds. Loud sounds disturb us. They also cause noise pollution. Some people cannot hear at all. They watch our lip movements to understand what we say. This is called lip reading. But some people cannot speak and hear. They use sign language to express themselves. Now let's understand how can you take care of your ear. Sharp objects will harm your ears. Do not use them to clean. Dry your ear with a soft clean towel after a bath to keep them clean and dry. Go to a doctor if you have an earache. Students, do you like the smell of roses? Yes? Well, can you tell me which sense organ help you to smell? Yes, you are right. It's your nose. Our nose helps us to smell things. We love different kinds of smell. Just like Ranjana loves to smell food. Rohan loves strong smells. And Sujit holds his nose when he walks past a rubbish bin. Well, that's why it is important to take care of your nose. Avoid rubbing your nose hard, it may cause harm. Cover your nose when you sneeze. Achoo. And do not put things into your nostrils as you will not be able to breathe. Dear students, meet my friend Leena. She likes sweets. Her friend Prem prefers salty and spicy food. Well, which is your favorite food? Write in the comment box. Can you tell me which sense organ help us to taste food? Yes, tongue help us to taste food. Our tongue has taste buds that help us to experience different tastes like bitter, sour, salty, sweet, etc. Students, we should take care of our tongue. So what you can do to take care of your tongue? Clean your tongue when you brush your teeth. Don't eat or drink a very hot food. Don't put sharp things on your mouth. And avoid too spicy food. What should you do? You should eat healthy foods. The skin is the largest sense organ in our body. It covers our whole body. It helps us feel things around us. The skin helps us feel hot and cold things. It helps us to say whether a surface is rough, smooth, hard, soft. Students, it is also important to take care of your skin. You should wash your hand before eating and after using the bathroom. Apply sunscreen lotion before going out in the sun. Protect your skin from chemical cuts. Cover cuts, scrapes and other open sores with bandage. Eat healthy food and drink plenty of water. Take a bath daily. Well, students, I hope you all have understood this chapter very well. Still, if you have any query, you can write in the comment box. And yes, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.